Welcome to the Rotors. Let us explore the world and learn English together.
The morning sun shines brightly through the green pine trees. The clear stream flows quietly over the smooth river stones. Our beautiful yellow van rests perfectly still by the water. It is time to wake up and start the day. Ben steps outside and walks onto the gray river rocks. Mornings here in the pine forest are so incredibly peaceful. I will prepare some hot food for our family breakfast. He reaches into the wooden box to find the tools. This black iron pan is very heavy and perfectly strong. Now, I gently put the heavy pan on the stove. The fresh eggs sizzle softly in the hot iron pan.
Be careful, the iron pan is very hot.
I really love cooking outside in the fresh air. Maya steps out holding fresh bread and a wooden board. She smiles warmly at the smell of the cooking eggs. Maya places the board down and picks up a knife. The fresh, crusty bread crunches loudly as she slices it.
The fresh bread smells delicious today, Ben.
Pass me the wooden spatula, please.
Maya hands him the wooden tool with a gentle smile. The heavy van door swings open for the children.
Good morning, beautiful pine forest.
He walks to the wooden table to help make coffee. Toby is always ready to help with our morning chores. Toby carefully pours the hot water into the tall pot.
I am so hungry today.
Daisy reaches into the woven basket to find the cups. She proudly pulls out 4 small, bright yellow cups.
Here are the cups, Mummy.
Thank you for your help, sweetie.
The family finally sits together around the strong wooden table. It is wonderful to eat right next to the cold stream. Ben uses the wooden spatula to serve the hot, cooked eggs. I put the hot eggs onto the clean white plates. Maya holds a warm yellow cup filled with hot, dark coffee.
Here is a warm cup of coffee for you, Ben.
The hot cup of coffee feels very warm in my hands. The family eats their delicious morning breakfast very slowly together. I only hear the gentle sound of forks and the river. Toby and Daisy laugh together while they eat the warm food. I love watching my children laugh and eat their food. Toby and Daisy eat their breakfast with very full mouths. Ben slowly lifts his yellow cup of hot, dark coffee. The hot coffee tastes incredibly fresh in the cold air.
Drink your coffee slowly, Ben. It is still very hot.
The wooden table is full of fresh food and hot drinks. Looking at my family, I know we have everything we need.
This is a truly perfect morning, everyone.
The happy family continues to eat their delicious food slowly together. I will never forget this wonderful breakfast by the cold stream.
That was a wonderful journey. Now, let us review what we have learned today.
Hello! Today we will learn about our morning breakfast words. We use this tense to talk about things that are true. Use adjectives like heavy to describe the objects we hold. When I talk about myself, I use the simple verb. Adjectives like hot help us describe the temperature of things. Add an S to the action when describing another person. Use the word pass to ask for an object politely. We use we when we do an action together.
You learned many new words today. You did a great job. Thank you for learning with me. See you next time.
Thanks for joining us on this adventure. See you next time.